This is a series I'm starting called Beginner Crochet, where I'm going to try and show you how to crochet from the very beginning, and I'm going to try and break every step down into as simple a steps as possible. In my eyes, the first thing you need to know to learn to crochet is the slip knot. So we've got our yarn. It can be any yarn. Mine's cotton today, just to show you. We're going to get our tail end that we've pulled out of our ball of yarn. What I'll do is I'll show you it first so you can see the process, and then I'll try and break it down a little bit better. So what we're going to do is just wrap it around our fingers, cross the tail end over, and then we're going to go into the loop, pull a little loop through and tighten it up. That's your loop. Then when you pull one end, it pulls the loop tighter. So to go over that again, we're going to hold the tail end in our right hand, and we're going to use our left hand to cross the yarn over. So we're going to grab the tail end, bring it over our fingers. I'll use 3 fingers for this just as an example. So cross it over our fingers and cross it over in the front. So again, bring it through your fingers and cross it over in the front. You can now let go of the tail end. I'm just going to hold it gently with my thumb there so I can show you it. The yarn that's furthest away from your thumb is our loop. We're going to go through that loop and grab the tail end of the yarn. So through the loop, grabbing that tail end and pull that very gently through that circle. And as you do that, it should slip off your fingers. Hold the working yarn between your baby finger and your next finger, and we're going to hold the tail end with our thumb. And as you pull that loop, it will just tighten there. That's it. That's our loop. So then to start crocheting, all you do is put your hook through the loop, and if you pull both of the loose ends, one of them will tighten the loop onto your hook. You don't want it too tight, but tighten it onto your hook. And that's it. That's your starting slip knot for most projects.